a dress. Come on. Stitch it up and stitch it down. Awesome. Awesome. Good fairy idea. I really don't like didn't have variety. What's that sound? Is that eagle? Right, dude? Pretty easy. Easy. Good boy, wonderful, good lady. Huh? Gosh. Hey! Oh, wonderful!
Okay, minimum bet 5 Monopoly. Coyotes Wild. Change it 2 double A's. Hey, what do you guys think of the new recruits, hey, keepers?
Oh, please. Landfill.
Dinosaur? But that space guy, he could be useful.
He ain't the sharpest knife in the place where they keep the knives.
Neither are you, chunk.
You got a little cute for yourself, didn't you, Ken?
Hey, lay off, Twitch. Barbie's different.
Oh, Mr. Softy over
What
here.
do you expect from a girl's toy?
I'm not a girl's toy. I'm not.
Gosh, you want to bring me.
All them toys are disposable. We'll be lucky if they last us a week.
Well, looky who we have here.
Shut up!
Go!
Take him to the library.